Hey, I'm Jet. I'm a program manager at Rebuilding Together Philadelphia, and today we're talking about radiators and making sure that they're working the most efficiently in your home. Right here, we have a radiator. It's underneath the radiator cover. Usually you can just pull off the top. Sometimes you have to pull off the whole thing. But inside we have this cast iron thing. And on this side right here, we have what's called a bleeder valve. At Home Depot or Lowe's, you can get a little key that fits into there, and it's about $1.50. Now, how do you know if your radiators need to be bled? Usually your house or that room is like a little bit colder. Maybe it's not all the way filled up. Sometimes you can even tell, like the radiator down here will be warm, but up here it'll be cold. In this situation, this radiator feels warm all the way around, so it's possible that it is completely full, but we're gonna find out. So we're gonna slide that in right there, and we're gonna turn it. And sometimes you need a little bit of leverage. That's what this hole is for. Slowly turn it. And then actually immediately water came out. So that means that this radiator is full. If it's not full, you'll hear some air come out, and you let that hiss out until the water starts coming. And that's how we bleed a radiator.